Good to go. Don't stand right in front of the speaker, so. Yeah. Morning.
Good morning.
How you doing? Hi. 8 waste?
Let's see. Transportation, excess inventory, wasted motion, waiting time, overprocessing, overproduction, defects, wasted potential.
Very good. Thank you, Brian. Excellent job. Thank you.
Okay. One thing that Frank and I did a couple months after we moved here, we moved that cabinet over to the left a little bit and put the recycling bin right next to the cabinet. And the reason we did that is because that is where we trim all the drawings after they come off the plotter. So the recycling bin was right next to where we're trimming it off, so we could toss it right in there and just not have to walk over to the other side of the room and throw the paper in the recycling bin. And nowadays we get a lot of drawings that from automotive and things like that that aren't a standard size, so they don't fold up into our 8.5 by 11 folders. And so what we used to do is take a ruler and actually mark on the drawing where to fold it so it would come out to be the right size. And what I ended up doing here was I put a couple marks on the top of that cabinet so that if you look at the next picture, I just line a mark up with the edge of the paper and then crease it where I have to fold it, and then I can just fold it back and forth, and this way I don't have to mark every print. And then after I fold it in one direction, then the other mark is the 8.5 inch mark, which then allows me to fold it the right size in the other direction. So it saves me quite a bit of time. And this is a picture of all the wires and stuff coming out of the post by Leslie's desk. You can tell the wires are kind of all over the floor. It's kind of a trip hazard. There's a metal plate just kind of sticking there. It's supposed to be covered where the wires are coming out. And I think the next picture is just another angle of the same thing. So that's something that I think we probably should work on because it is a trip hazard and also just doesn't look very good when our customers are coming in. So I think that's it.
All right. Very good. Excellent job, Brian. Thank you.
Nice job.